Hello, childrens. Good morning. Welcome to online maths class. Today we are going to see about division. What is division? Division means equal sharing or equal grouping, which is mean that equally divide the given number with each and everyone. First, we'll recall about equal sharing and equal grouping. For that, we need an example. Let us consider the example that is there are 20 countries in this picture. Just to check this. There are 20 countries which is mixed together and given. Now we want to share it into groups of 5, groups of 10, groups of 2 and groups of 4. How to do that? For that we know the tables. What are the tables we should know? 2 table, 4 table, 5 table and 10 table. We want to know 2 table, 4 table, 5 table and 10 table. So the given number of countries is 20. First, we group under 5. How to do that? For that, we want to know 5 table. So, in 5 table, 20 how many times will come? Yes, 4 times. So, we are grouped the countries under 4 groups. Okay, so the 20 countries we are grouping under 4. Next, we are going to group the countries in 10 groups of 10. So in 10 table 20 will come in 2 times. So we are going to group the countries in 2 times. Okay, under 10 group. Next we are going to group the countries into 2. So in 2 table 20 will come in 10 times. 20 will come in 10 times. 10 twos are 20. So we are going to group under 2. We need 10 groups of countries. In 20 we need 10 groups of countries. In 4 table. Next is group under 4. 4 table 20 will come in 5 times. 5 fours are 20. So we are going to group under 4 means we will get 5 groups. This is a way we have to group that is equal grouping, as well as we can say equal sharing also. Yes, my dears. Now we'll see equal sharing. How to share equally. That is, given the example that is divide 10 into 2 equal groups. So we have 10 chocolates. We can consider the 10 as chocolates. 10 chocolates we have. We want to group for 2 each. How many number of students? We don't know. So first we want to find that. Okay. How to do that? If you are grouping under 2, 2, 2, we'll get 5 students. So which is mean that we are equally sharing each toffees to 5 persons 2, 2, 2. Okay, this is called equal sharing as well as equal grouping. Did you all understand what is equal sharing and what is equal grouping? Equally sharing among to everyone is called equal sharing. Next we'll see what are the terms used under division. First, dividend, divisor and quotient, remainder. We want to know first 4 things, that is dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. Consider the example 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3. So we want, which is a dividend here? The number which is under the division is called dividend. That is 12. 12 means a number to be divided. The number which is going to be divided is called dividend. Next 3. 3 is divisor. Divisor means the number that divides. The number which is going to divide the given dividend. That is called divisor. Okay. In 3 table, how many 12s are there? How many 12s? That is in 12, how many 3s are there? So 12, how can you group under 3? that is 4. We can group under 4. 4 3s are 12. That is that 4 is a quotient. Quotient means the answer we get on dividing the number. The answer we get on dividing the number, that is called quotient. If you are subtracting the 12 from 12, you will get 0 as a remainder. So that remainder 0 is called, after dividing, what is remaining we'll have. That is called remainder. Okay, what are the terms used in division? Dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. What are the divisor, division and quotient, remainder? That detailedly explained now. Next, we'll see division algorithm. What is called mean by division algorithm? That is, verification part is called division algorithm. That is, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. While you are verifying this, we'll get the same dividend is called verification as well as division algorithm. So here the number is, divisor is 3. Dividend is we want to find. Then quotient is 4, remainder is 0. Apply the values in the formula, that is 3 into 4 plus 0. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 0 is 12. So we'll get the same dividend which is we did in the sum. This is called division algorithm as well as verification. Okay, did you all understand what are the terms in division? Yes. Let's we see the next example how to do the division. That is 1 digit by 2 digit. Yes? Yes. For the sum, divide 75 by 6. Divide the number 75 by 6. In 7, how many 6 are there? For this, we should know the 6 table. We should know the 6 table. Okay. So, that is 1 6 is 6. So, in 7, we have only 1 6. That is 1. That should be right over the quotient part. We should write that in the quotient part. So, 1 6 is 6. Where you are multiplying, getting the answer, that should be right under the dividend. That is which number we are going to divide. So, 7 under we want to write 6. Now we have to do the subtraction. Division means we want to do the subtraction. So 7 minus 6 is 1. Okay, now we will get the answer as, that is 7 divided by 6 is equal to, quotient is 1, remainder is 1. Next we will consider the next number, that is 5. Take that 5 to down. Now we have the number as 15. How many 6 in 15? How many 6 in 15? So we know already 6 2s are 12. So we have 2 6 in 15. So write the 2 as a quotient. Now 6 2s are 12. 12 we want to write under the number 15. So because 15 is a dividend. So 15 minus 12 is equal to 3. If you are subtracting the 15 from 12, we'll get 3 as remainder. So now the division of 75 divided by 6, we'll get the quotient as 12 and remainder as 3. We'll see the verification part also. In this, which is a quotient here? A quotient is 12, divisor is 6, remainder is 3. Use the division algorithm, that is division verification part. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. So that is equal to 12 multiplied by 6 plus 3. 12 6 are 72. 72 plus 3 which is equal to 75. So we'll get the same dividend which is given in the sum. So 75. So we did the division sum as very correctly. So we know how to do 2 digit by 1 digit division. Yes, my dears, did you all understand how to do the division and what is division? What are the terms used in division and all we recollected now. Today's session is completed. Thank you.